Well, here's part 2. So, part 2, I will be reviewing now Wolverine, which is, cool. He's awesome because these two are the prized possessions that I have. So, these two are very nice and flexible, so they can move in different poses. So, Wolverine here is really detailed. Look at his claws. I like his claws. So, and one thing I'd like to point out, do not that the belt buckle, it is like in the movie. So it's nice that Hasbro made it accurate this time. So I almost said Iron Monger. So this time Wolverine. Look. Wolverine has a removable jacket only here. You can see it here. But this one can be removed. The sleeves are permanent, so that doesn't be bad, but like the whole. So, but he's still a good figure from that. His articulation is great. So you can move his arm like that. You can bend his elbow like that and swing. Oh, it's changing right out the heel. He can swivel his arm like that, so you can have him in poses like, I'm gonna kill you, Bob, with Iron Monger. There. So next, you can put his legs like this if you want the joint there going back, but they're too much separated, so they don't, probably you won't like them. It's like that. You can swivel the one with the wife beater, you can swivel that like that. And you can bend his, knuckle. I don't know, but this one. So you can put him in different poses. So for the gimmick, you can replace his hands with these other hands that are cool. So let's remove the one with the fists and let's put the one that is open. This one looks more natural than this one. Because, this one is pushing in too much. This one is pushing in. So it's not like that. It's not like that. So, Wolverine, he looks nice. So I recommend. Wait, muna. I really recommend Iron Monger and Wolverine if you find them. So if you find this guy, please pick him up so that you'll have no more. You will not have any more chances. This one too. I had only one there. This one they only had two. So bought them as quickly as I can so that nobody could get. So bye bye.